Hi there, this is class COM3024. The name of the class is Business Intelligence and Analysis. I am going to present today's lab 3. My name is Kewal Patel. I am today's presenter. So let's get started. Okay, so what is today's discussion? So today we are going to discuss about property sales and data, how to cleanse the data with Power BI, and what's the conclusion. So today we got data of city of Milwaukee, and it's about the property sales which happened between 2002 to 2018. This data contains the information about property sales by year, their price are paid, and what is the rise and fall in the price. So this is one picture of the original data. I will take you to Excel file now to show how does it looks like. So guys, as you can see, sorry, it's a little bit awkward. It's look better now. So over here we are getting the what kind of property we have over here. What is the location for that property? Is it a condo, or if it is condos, then it will show like how many bedroom and bathrooms are over here, the name of the district and number of the district, and the year which it is built in, and the date of the sales, and how much price people paid for it. So now we will go on our Power BI for that. So first, okay. So in the Power BI, I created two different dashboards. Okay, so in the first dashboard, we are getting the information about the sales and how many properties are sold by that specific date and time. And on the second chart, we use the chart to describe relationship between the how many properties are sold and how much price was for that property on an average. So let's go to Power BI now. So let's go to our page 1. So as we can see over here, that we have the information about what is the date, sale of the date. Okay, so in general, from the 2002 to 2018, there are 39,000 properties were sold till then. And if we will go for the specific property, as we can see in the March 1st 2002, we have sold 12 properties in unit. So over here I am using a measurement in order to calculate how many properties are sold, using creating new measure and then adding as a count, or adding as a sum, and then selecting that per property by unit, and it will add it over here as we know about it. Okay, so over here we are checking. Okay, so in the March 1st, how much people price paid, and then how many properties were sold. On the second chart, we are finding a relationship between the chart and the price. So for example, on the specific point of the chart, we know that price for that property were really high. Because of that, there is a really low amount of properties are sold. But on this area, there is a fall in the price of the property because not many properties were sold till then. Usually the units are between 40 to 10. But when there is suddenly a price drop in for the particular unit or the property, we can see there is a rise in the sale. So if we will go for this area, when there is a property for $179,000, there are like 379 properties were sold, and from the 2009 to 2018, there is always a constant rise for the property, but there is not a sudden increment in the property sales. For this one, I chose this new measurement in order to gain the average of that sell properties were sold for that particular time. And that's all, guys. Thank you very much for joining my video, and have a good day. Bye.